Welcome to Tech Tips from the UHN Patient and Family Learning Centers. Today you will learn how to open a new tab in your browser window and move between different tabs. I will demonstrate on an iPhone using Safari, but the steps are similar for other phones and tablets as well as other browsers. If you are not sure of what a browser tab is, please see our digital dictionary video, What is a browser tab? I will show you how to open 3 websites and how to switch between them. Start by tapping on your Safari app. This will open an internet browser window. When you open a window, a tab is automatically opened for you. Go to the search bar and type www.uhn.ca. Tap Go. To open a new tab, go to the bottom of the screen on the right and tap on the tab icon. Looks like 2 overlapping squares. Now you can see all the tabs you currently have open. You can switch between tabs here. To open a new tab, go to the bottom of the screen on the left and tap on the plus symbol. Now, go to the search bar and type myuhn.ca and press Go. Tap on the tab icon again. You will now see that you have 2 tabs open. Tap on the plus symbol. Type Gmail sign in and press Go. You now have 3 tabs open. To switch between the tabs, tap on the tab icon, and then tap on the tab you would like to view. To close a tab, go to the tab you would like to close and tap on the X symbol found on the top right corner of the tab. On my screen I will close the My UHN tab. Please note, it will look slightly different on other browser windows, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. On an Android phone using Google Chrome, the tab symbol will look like a square with a number inside of it at the top of your screen to the right. The plus symbol to open a new tab will be in the top left corner of the screen, next to the tab symbol. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can contact us at 416-603-6277 or tgpen@uhn.ca.